Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about some common mistakes that beginners often make when starting out. So, let's dive right in and learn how to avoid these errors. First up, it's important to remember that choosing random products or services can be a big mistake. It's crucial to do your research and select products that align with your niche and audience. This will not only help you provide valuable content, but also build trust with your followers. Next, let's talk about spamming links everywhere. While it's important to include relevant links in your content, it's essential not to overdo it. Spamming links can be off-putting to your audience and may even result in penalties from search engines. So, be strategic and only include links that are truly valuable to your readers. Now, let's discuss the pitfall of waiting for immediate results. It's crucial to understand that building a successful online presence takes time and effort. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Instead, focus on creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and consistently putting in the work. Lastly, let's talk about the importance of staying true to your brand. Avoid making promises that you can't keep or overhyping your products or services. It's better to underpromise and overdeliver than the other way around. And that's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you avoid some common mistakes and set you on the path to success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.